What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Hey, I told you I had a special guest coming. Hey, go ahead and give it up for my beautiful queen. She about to come on here with me, wifey, Big T. Come on, Terry.
I'm not a big T.
It's the Austins. Hey, today we're gonna cook. What you want to bring on to cook, honey?
Chili.
Chili. So how are you gonna make your chili?
Just watch and see.
Just watch and see? Okay. We're gonna go ahead and start by grilling the ground beef. We got fresh ground beef.
Add in onions and green peppers. Okay, so I've drained all my grease off. Now I have 2 packs of chili seasoning, 2 cans of medium chili, a can of kidney beans, and 2 cans of pinto beans. I got the stove on medium high, and I'm gonna add all of this.
What's that you just added, right?
Medium chili.
Medium chili. So why you choose the medium chili?
Cause you like it spicy, right?
Okay. Don't start now. You can't finish, girl. What was that you just added?
Kidney beans.
What's them?
Pinto beans.
Pinto beans. You know I love them pinto beans.
They don't love you though. And you can just let it simmer as long as you want. The longer it simmer, the better it tastes, my opinion.
Look at it just simmer on down. Cook it low and slow. Notice how I like it. Chili done. Let's go ahead and
This is the final product.
go ahead and take a bite in there, baby.
He's so dramatic.
Give me another spoon of that. Wait, so you learned this from your grandma?
No, on my own.
Oh, I got it on my own, right? Hey.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. Check out more of his other videos, more from me coming. We hope you subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.
Subscribe, yeah.